Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah and welcome to my channel, and we are doing a basic mini course on Lenormand. As we are starters, we would only write down certain meanings, that is the basic meanings of the card. Now, I already told you how the differences are, so now we go to our next card because other things are already given in other videos. We are coming to our fifth card, which is tree. Tree, what does tree imply? Tree talks about health. It doesn't say about sickness, it is more about health. The state of health is defined by the following or the card which were before tree. Sometimes it also indicates, if in case we are talking about any kind of relationship, it is out of convenience or habit, most likely, because at the time when you're reading, your intuition would guide you. Sometimes some people, especially with Lenormand, logical people can work with, and intuitive people has an asset. However, it can also mean, there is less possibility, but it can also mean a relationship. If you are talking about relationship, it can come across as a relationship out of habit instead of being a love relationship. But surrounding cards matter, so please keep that in mind. And because it's a tree, it would be a long time thing. So anything to develop as a sickness takes a long time. Anything to develop as a good health because of exercises and the habits that we have, again habits, that takes quite some time to develop or to fall. But the fall or development may be visibly be seen as if it was just instant. In some cases, I'm not talking about all. So basically, tree is about health, tree is about convenience, tree is about habits. It is not a positive or negative card in my opinion till now, because in and itself, tree doesn't talk about sickness. In and itself, it doesn't talk about very good health, flourishing health. It may mean that, but in itself it doesn't. So you have to see the cards which are there around the tree. So I think we are done for the tree as of now. The basic meanings at least we are done. We will see the next card now.